Okay, so here's my daughter cantering her horse without a bridle, without a bit, just with a lead rope and a halter. She has no way of controlling her horse. So what's going to happen when you want to stop? Not into me. That's your way of stopping her.
No, you're standing there and you're talking, and that makes Stormy think it's like Trisha.
Oh, like it's time to do. Okay, I see. All right, enjoy yourself. Like I said, if she gets too crazy, grab behind her ears. That is with no bridle, no bit. She cannot control her. This horse usually needs a tough bit. So go ahead, do it again, Aaron. Yeah, get control of your horse. What little control you can get. No saddle, no bridle, no bit. Good news is she has a helmet on this time. She didn't have a helmet on before and we didn't realize it. You've lost your mind, Aaron.
Hey, I need to like hold on with both sides.
You need a bridle?
Or reins.
I think you need a bridle.
I need a reins at least.
No, I think you need a bridle.
She's not good at neck reining.
You need a bridle.
No, I need reins.
You need a bridle.
I need reins.
Aaron, bridle.
You have my reins.
I'm not taking the reins off of this horse to put on your horse. Whatever. Take my reins. Okay, Aaron. Your horse has great manners. Oh, can't see her. My daughter falls, I'm going to be very upset. There she goes.
Stormy is a sharp turn.
Yes, that was a sharp turn. Jump. Woo, good job, 2-9. All right, she's finally got herself saddled up. She didn't want it. If I need to put it down one for her to start, let me know. She's gonna jump it weird regardless. Whoa, that's definitely 3 foot.
She left me behind.
I know, it was funny looking. Beautiful. Clicking to her over that seems to help.